As everyone knows, apes have high IQ. They have similar traits as humans. Apes can learn to communicate using sign language. Coco, for example, knows more than 1,000 signs for communication. But what exactly makes them intelligent and similar to humans? Because we are all descended from the same relative, Australopithecus, or the southern ape. We used to be an ape. But how on earth did we become humans? Because we have evolved to be like that. We are all primates. We are all hominids. Humans were first the exact same as apes. We used to crawl and we were human-like. The southern ape has small brains, large jaws, and were the first species to be able to walk upright like us modern humans. One of the most famous hominids of that time is Lucy, who was discovered in 1974 and completely changed the way we looked at human evolution. We estimate that she is the first hominid to be able to walk upright, and other primates can do that only 2 million years later. This allowed her to keep her hands free. Because of her small brain, she broke open food and other things using sticks and stones instead of useful tools. Archaeologists believe walking upright made us primates to be able to make tools. Australopithecus lived till 4 million years ago. Next, we evolved to Homo Habilis, which is a more intelligent species. Homo Habilis means able man. This relative has a larger brain and made the first stone tools that we use up to this date. They lived 2.3 to 1.65 million years ago in East Africa. The next human ancestor was the Homo erectus, or the upright man. It was a more advanced hominid and can stand fully up for a day. Homo erectus also developed longer arms and legs that like us modern humans. They are seen during the 1.5 million years ago. They made fire about 500,000 years ago by using friction from rubbing two sticks together to create a spark. This is a major forward leap for mankind, and we began eating cooked food. The invention of fire led to a chain of events, either good or disastrous. This is also a major step toward an efficient and pro-brain. We have the highest IQ in any animal, even though our brain size might be so much smaller than some mammals. We can also keep ourselves warm during the night and the winter. This means we can move out of Africa to colder places, and that's when the Great Migration happened. Homo erectus is probably the first human species to move out of Africa. Next, the Homo erectus evolved into Homo sapiens, or wise man. It is basically the same as us modern humans, but we are just a bit smarter than them, so we are called Homo sapiens. We lived from 400,000 years ago to now. The Homo sapiens made all kinds of tools. They hunted and even found out ways to farm. We developed large brains that we have today, and even longer limbs. We developed language. There are two types of Homo sapiens, the Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens. The Neanderthals have larger front teeth, but we are still smarter, and they were adapted to the cold weather. They have shorter limbs and broader chests and were usually very muscular. The Neanderthals are mostly found in Europe and parts of Turkey. Every European have a 2% Neanderthal DNA. However, due to some unknown reasons, the Neanderthals were extinct and us Homo sapiens became the survivor. That's human evolution. Consider, why did humans originate in Africa? Africa used to have warm and wet climates, suitable for animals to live there. As humans have little fur, the warm environment is perfect for survival and the process of evolution. We know that oceans block the access to America, so how on earth did we get a chance to go to America? The reason behind is that thousands of years ago, when the last ice age occurred, this made some land rise above the ocean and formed the Bering Land Bridge from Asia to present-day Alaska. This allowed tribes to go across the oceans and form new groups in America. Thanks for watching this amazing video. If you want to support our work, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button, and you'll be granted 10 years of amazing luck and educational content.